I was craving some sweet chili chicken today. I just came to Publix to pick up what I needed, so let's go home and make it together. I've actually never made this recipe before. I picked up some chicken thighs, some rice wine vinegar, sweet chili sauce, garlic, ginger paste, some more cornstarch, and soy sauce. I'm gonna start by cutting my chicken thighs into bite-sized pieces and putting them into a bowl. So I cut an entire pack of boneless, skinless chicken thighs into bite-sized pieces. I tried to keep them all roughly around the same size just so that they would cook evenly when I fried them. Once all of my chicken was cut in the bowl, I went ahead and added a teaspoon of paprika along with a teaspoon of garlic powder and then half a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of ground black pepper. I gave everything a quick toss. You could also go ahead and do this in a Ziploc bag and just shake it up too. Then I cracked one large egg, mixed it in there, coated all the chicken pieces, and then I added half a cup of cornstarch. You're gonna see me add 2 because I used a 1/4 cup measuring cup. I went ahead and tossed all of the chicken pieces together, coated them in the cornstarch, and I set it aside to start working on my sweet chili sauce. I took 5 cloves of garlic that I minced, and then to that, I went ahead and added about a teaspoon of ginger paste. I just eyeballed it. You can also use fresh ginger if you'd like. And then I added a 1/4 cup of reduced sodium soy sauce, along with a 1/4 cup of rice wine vinegar. And last but not least, I added in half a cup of sweet chili sauce. I went ahead and gave this a quick whisk, and then I set it aside to start frying my chicken. I added a little bit of corn oil to my pan, and once it got hot, I just started adding in my chicken pieces. I didn't have the heat so high because I did want the chicken to cook thoroughly. And then once one side was golden brown, I went ahead and gave it a flip until my chicken was fully cooked through. It didn't take very long. I did put the chicken pieces on a paper towel lined plate just to collect any excess oil when they were done frying. And then in a separate pot, I went ahead and added my sauce mixture, and I just cooked this a little bit, just over a little simmer, just until the sauce thickened up a bit more. Then I added in all my chicken pieces and I gave them a quick toss in the sauce. As it cools, the sauce does thicken up. And this is how it turned out. I am telling you, if I would have put this in one of those little takeout boxes, there's no way you would have told me that I made this at home. This was restaurant quality. Please give this a try. Quedó.
Smells freaking amazing.
Deja que lo pruebes. A ver, ¿cómo está? ¿Cómo está? Be honest though.
It's amazing.